Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring how you can make money with artificial intelligence. Even if you're not a tech expert, let's dive in.
AI overview.
AI is transforming industries worldwide, creating opportunities for people with diverse skill sets. From automation to data analysis, there's something for everyone.
Online tools and platforms. You don't need to be a programmer to leverage AI. There are user-friendly tools and platforms available for creating chatbots, marketing campaigns, and more, with no coding required.
AI business ideas. Now, let's explore some AI-powered business ideas you can start today. Consider creating a personalized fitness app, an AI-driven e-commerce platform, or even a virtual assistant service for businesses.
AI freelancing. You can also make money by offering AI services as a freelancer. From data analysis to content creation, there are plenty of AI-enhanced tasks you can perform for clients, even without a programming background.
Investing in AI companies. Another way to profit from AI is by investing in AI-focused companies and startups. As the industry grows, so does the potential for significant returns on investment.
Education and skill development. Don't forget the importance of education and skill development. By learning more about AI and its applications, you can expand your opportunities and increase your earning potential.
Networking and community. Joining AI-focused communities and attending conferences can help you stay informed, connect with like-minded individuals, and discover new business opportunities. Staying ahead of the curve. The world of AI is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping up with the latest developments and trends. This will enable you to adapt and grow your AI-powered businesses or services.
Subscribing and liking. With determination, creativity, and a bit of research, you too can make money with AI. Don't be afraid to explore the possibilities and turn your ideas into reality.
Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.